See, everything's been torn out of this house. It's an abandoned house that they're remodeling, but this was full of rats in here. There was the hole, they concreted that hole, that's where they were coming in from. That's the dryer vent. As you can see, we set up the traps along this perimeter in here just in case. This is where the rats were going up into the roof. In here, you can see those are the rub marks. And this has been cleaned. And repair has been done to the floor. So now this drywall has to be repaired and all that, but that's where they were going up. They were climbing up this wall, and you can see there's a rub mark of them going. Those marks are indication they were going into there. This was an opening. And look at the dirty tube. And basically they climbed up the textured wall and then climbed in and get into the attic, and that was how they're getting in. So people think, well, how does he get up there? You know, you can't climb up a straight wall. Yeah, if it's textured, they'll walk up that straight wall.